So in this lecture we will discuss derivatives of functions in parametric form. So derivatives of functions in parametric form. Suppose y is given as function of t and x is given as function of t, where t is the parameter. T is the parameter. So in such a cases, dy by dx can be obtained using formula dy by dt upon dx by dt, where important thing is dx by dt should not be a 0. So dx by dt not equal to 0. Here t is the parameter. For example, consider parabola. So x equal to 8 square. For example, you take in general y equal to 2at. So here t is the parameter. So to obtain dy by dx, x is function of t, y is function of t, where t is the parameter. So in such a cases, dy by dx can be obtained as dy by dt upon dx by dt, where denominator should not be 0 as usual. So dx by dt should not be a 0. So dy by dt it is 2a, derivative of t with respect to t, upon dx by dt, derivative of x with respect to t. So 2at, 2a cancels, so 1 upon t. So in this case, t is parameter, then dy by dx can be obtained using dy by dt upon dx by dt. There may be theta as a parameter. So in such a cases, if theta is parameter, then dy by dx can be obtained as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, where dx by d theta not equal to 0 if theta is the parameter. For example, x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. So you are familiar with this equation. These are the parametric equation for ellipse, where theta is the parameter. So in this case, dy by dx can be obtained as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So derivative of y with respect to theta, b cos theta, derivative of y with respect to theta. Similarly, dx by d theta minus a sin theta, derivative of x with respect to theta. So this is minus b by a cot theta. But if theta is parameter, in such a cases, when you obtain d2y by dx2, second derivative, so this is d by dx of dy by dx. Now inside it will be a function of theta. So in such a cases you have to use chain rule. D by dx, it is d by d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx. You have to use chain rule because inside it will be a function of theta. For example, here minus b by a cot theta. So if you put here minus b by a cot theta. So to differentiate outside, differentiate with respect to x, inside function of theta. So d by dx can be written as d by d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx, and this is d by d theta of dy by dx, and d theta by dx, it is 1 upon dx by d theta. So this is d2y by dx2 whenever inside it is function of theta. Similarly, if dy by dx it is in terms of t, then when you obtain second derivative d2y by dx2, d by dx of dy by dx. Now if it is inside function of t, then this can be written as d by dt of dy by dx into dt by dx, and dt by dx, this is as it is d by dt of dy by dx and dt by dx, it is 1 upon dx by dt. So this is d2y by dx2 second derivative whenever y and x are given in terms of parametric form where t is the parameter. So we take some examples. Obtain dy by dx obtain or find dy by dx if x equal to 280 square, y equal to 80 raised to 4. Solution. So here you can observe t is the parameter. So dy by dx can be obtained as dy by dt upon dx by dt. So first x equal to 80 square, therefore dx by dt 280, it will be in the denominator, so we have to put condition, it should not be 0. So dx by dt equal to 280, put condition not equal to 0. Now dy by dt, y equal to 80 raised to 4, therefore dy by dt 4a t cube, using formula d by dx of x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1. So now dy by dt it is 4a t cube. So using derivatives of parametric equation dy by dx is given by dy by dt upon dx by dt. So now we put values for dy by dt and dx by dt. For at cube upon 4at x equal to 80 square, sorry it is 280, or you can consider x equal to 80 square. So upon 280, so simplification is 2t square. So x equal to 80 square, y equal to 80 raised to 4. In that case, dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt. So it is 4a t cube upon 280, 2 2s are 4, so 2t square. Second example. X equal to sin t y equal to cos 2t. Find dy by dx. Solution. X is function of t, y is function of t. Here t is the parameter. So dx by dt, x equal to sin t. So dx by dt, derivative of sin t with respect to t, it is cos t. It will be in the denominator, so we have to put condition not equal to 0. Y equal to cos 2t, therefore dy by dt, derivative of cos minus sin 2t into by chain rule d by dt of 2t. So now dy by dx, it is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Put values for dy by dt minus 2 sin 2t upon dx by dt, it is cos t. Further simplification is possible. In numerator, we use formula sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 2t, 2 sin t cos t upon cos t. So final answer is minus 4 sin t. So this is dy by dx. Next one. X equal to 4t y equal to 4 upon t obtain dy by dx. Solution. We have given x equal to 4t. Here t is the parameter. X equal to, so dx by dt, derivative of x with respect to t, and you can observe not equal to 0. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Now y equal to 4 upon t. So this is nothing but 4 into t raised to minus 1. So dy by dt, this is minus 4 t raised to minus 2. Use formula d by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. So minus 1 in the multiplication, so minus 4 you have to reduce one power, so it is t raised to minus 2, or this is minus 4 upon t square. Therefore dy by dx by formula it is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So we substitute values for dy by dt minus 4 upon t square upon dx by dt 4. So simplification is minus 1 upon t square. Thus dy by dx it is minus 1 upon t square. Next one, x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Question is obtain dy by dx. So here you can observe that theta is given as a parameter. So x is function of theta, y is function of theta. So dy by dx can be obtained as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, because here theta is the parameter. So x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Therefore dx by d theta, derivative of x with respect to theta. So for cos theta it is minus sin theta, derivative of cos is minus, so minus minus plus, sine 2 theta into by chain rule d by d theta of 2 theta. So this is dx by d theta. As usual, we have to put condition not equal to 0. So dy by d theta, now y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So dy by d theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta, cos 2 theta, derivative of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta into by chain rule d by d theta of 2 theta. So finally dy by dx, it is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta upon dx by d theta cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. This is derivative of y with respect to x. We take one more example. X equal to sin cube t upon root cos 2t. Y equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. Find dy by dx. Here theta is in place of theta. Here we have t is the parameter. So x is function of t, y is function of t. So dy by dx, one can obtain using dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now x equal to sin cube t under root cos 2t. You note that d by dt of root cos 2t. So here power is 1/2 cos 2t, 1/2 minus 1, again by chain rule d by dt of cos 2t. So here simplification is 2, power is minus 1/2, so 1 upon cos 2t, derivative of cos 2t minus sin 2t into by chain rule d by dt of 2t, that is 2 cancel. So derivative is minus sin 2t upon root cos 2t. This is d by dt of root cos 2t. So first you separately note this thing. D by dt of root cos 2t minus sine 2t upon under root cos 2t. So first we obtain dx by dt. So we have to apply division formula, u by v form, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square, division formula. So root cos 2t into d by dt of sin cube t minus sin cube t d by dt of root cos 2t upon root cos 2t square. We have used this formula. D by dx of v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Now we differentiate. So this is cos 2t 3 sin square t into by chain rule d by dt of sin t, it is cos t. This is because of chain rule. Sin cube t, so 3 sin square t into d by dt of sin t, that is cos t, minus sin cube t. So we have shown the derivative of d by dt of root under root cos 2t minus sin 2t upon root cos 2t root upon root and its square. So simplification is cos 2t. Now we take root cos 2t as LCM. So root cos 2t into root cos 2t. So it will be cos 2t 3 sin square t cos t minus minus plus sin 2t sin cube t upon, we have taken root cos 2t as LCM, so cos 2t into root cos 2t. So by rules of indices, this will be cos 2t raised to 1 half plus 1, 3 by 2. So denominator it will be cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Now we obtain dy by dt. Now here we put condition dx by dt, so it should not be 0. So dx by dt not equal to 0. Y equal to cos cube t upon root cos 2t. Again we use division formula, d by dx of u by v v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. So dy by dt v cos 2t d by dt of minus cos cube t d by dt of upon square of so again we differentiate. This is root cos 2t 3 cos square t into by chain rule d by dt of cos t, so it is minus sin t derivative of cos cube t 3 cos square t into d by dt of cos t, that is minus sin t minus cos cube t d by dt of root cos 2t. We have already obtained d by dt of, so minus sin 2t upon root cos 2t d by dt of root cos 2t minus sin 2t upon under root cos 2t upon this is cos 2t. Now we take root cos 2t as LCM, so minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t, we have taken root cos 2t as LCM, minus minus plus cos cube t sin 2t upon, in denominator there will be cos 2t into root cos 2t, so it will be cos 2t raised to 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 half. So this is cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. So this is dy by dt minus 3 cos square t sin t into cos 2t plus sin 2t into cos cube t. Therefore, now dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So we put values for minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t plus sin 2t into cos cube t. In denominator, both the denominator contains cos 2t raised to 3 by 2, so it will be cancelled, upon dx by dt. So this is cos 2t so we put values 3 sin square t cos t 3 sin square t cos t cos 2t plus sin 2t into sin cube t, sin 2t into sin cube t. Now we simplify this thing. So we use formula cos 2t in numerator. We use this formula. You are familiar with this result. Cos 2t 2 cos square t minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square t. Cos 2t 2 cos square t minus 1. So here we will substitute values for cos 2t. Here also cos 2t. And sin 2t 2 sin t cos t. So we use two basic formulas and we simplify. So this is minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t. In numerator we have used this result 2 cos square t minus 1 plus sin 2t 2 sin t cos t into cos cube t upon 3 sin square t cos 2t 1 minus, in numerator we have used this one, in denominator we have used cos 2t 1 minus 2 sin square t. To get more simplification, plus sin 2t 2 sin t cos t into sin cube t. So here we have used this formula of cos 2t, here cos 2t, and here formula of sin 2t. Now we simplify. So minus 3 into 2 6 cos raised to 4t sin t, 6 cos raised to 4t sin t, minus minus plus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 sin t cos t into cos cube t cos raised to 4t. Now denominator 3 sin square t cos t into 1 minus 3 into 2 6 sin raised to 4t cos t plus 2 cos t sin raised to 4t. Simplification of this. Now this one as it is, 3 cos square t into sin t. Here minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 cos raised to 4t sin t plus 2, so it will be minus 4 cos raised to 4 t into sin t. Denominator, three sin square t cos t, 3 sin square t minus 6 plus 2, so it will be minus 4 sin raised to 4t cos t. Now from numerator and denominator we take, in numerator we take minus sin t cos t common. In numerator we take minus sin t cos t common, so 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. From numerator we have taken minus sin t into cos t common. In denominator we take sin t cos t common, so into bracket 3 sin t, in denominator when we take sin t cos t common, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. You are familiar, this is formula for cos 3t, 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t, and this is 3 sin t minus 4, it is formula for sin 3t. So here this we can simplify, so this is minus, now numerator is cos 3t, denominator is sin 3t, so this is nothing but minus cot 3t, so thus dy by dx equal to minus cot 3t. So this is the solution. So here you have to use formula of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta to simplify dy by dx.